The next time you're remodeling or sprucing up the bathroom in your home, consider replacing your old toilet along with the other fixtures. It's easier than you think. And with today's wide range of color and design choices, there's bound to be one that'll fit your new look. Now, before you go shopping, you need to measure the distance from the wall to the floor bolts. If it measures 12 inches, you're in luck. You have a standard toilet. Sometimes, especially in older homes, this varies, so know before you go. Once you've made your decision and brought your new toilet home, it's time to remove the existing one. First things first, you want to turn the water off at the supply valve. And flush the toilet to empty the tank. Now remove any water left in the tank or bowl with a sponge and some rags. And be sure to wear some rubber gloves to protect against bacteria. Now once the toilet's dry, remove the tank bolts and disconnect the water supply line. Now straddle the bowl and lift the tank up off the bowl. And be sure you lift with your legs. These things can be pretty heavy. With the tank removed, it's time to work on the bowl. Remove the decorative caps that cover the floor bolts. And use a socket or adjustable wrench to remove the nuts. Once the bolts are off, rock the bowl back and forth until the wax seal underneath is broken and lift the bowl up off the floor. Scrape away any remaining wax with the putty knife and plug up the drain opening with a rag so you don't have sewer gases wafting up into your home. Okay, now for the new toilet. You may want to start by replacing the existing flange around the drain opening, or at least replace the mounting bolts. Then fit a new wax ring around the hole in the base of the toilet. Now for the tricky part. Lift the bowl up and line the toilet up over the anchor bolts. Once the bolts are fed through the holes, rock the bowl back and forth to seat the wax ring and then hand tighten the nuts. Insert shims where needed to make the bowl level. And then tighten the bolts up with an adjustable wrench. Tighten the bolts gradually, alternating from one bolt to the other. And be sure you don't over-tighten and crack your new bowl. Cover the bolts with the supplied caps and place the tank on the bowl. Guide the tank bolts into the corresponding holes. Tighten the bolts, but don't over-tighten, and install the toilet valve assembly. Reconnect the water supply, caulk around the base, and you're all set. So, the next time you take on a bathroom makeover, consider including a new toilet on your shopping list.